சென்டம் இன் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் சேனல் பார்க்கின்ற அனைத்து வியூவர்ஸுக்கும் எனது அன்பான வணக்கங்கள். இன்றைக்கு எஸ்ஐஸ் 1.1ல் 12, 13, 14, 15 என்ற 4 சம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ தேர்வு எழுதும் மாணவர்களுக்கு பயனுள்ளதாக இந்த வீடியோ இருக்கும். மறக்காமல் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். எஸ்ஐஸ் 1.1 டூல்ஸும் பார்க்க போகிறோம். பாருங்க, ஃபைண்ட் த மேட்ரிக்ஸ் A ஃபார் விச் A into the 2 plus 2 matrix 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2 equal to 14, first row 14, 7, 7, 7 is given. We have to find A. Okay, so solution. First you take, let A equal to what are given, 2 plus 2 matrix. So give the name A, B, C, D. Matrix A. So just apply it. A, B, C, D. Here given matrix 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2 equal to 14, 7, 7, 7. Now just multiply 2 plus 2 matrix. First row, first column, 5 into A, 5A. B into minus 1, minus B. First row, first column, then first row, second column. 3 into A, 3A. B into minus 2, minus 2B. Now second row, first column, 5 into C, 5C. Then D into minus 1, minus D. Next, second row, second column, 3 into C, 3C. Minus A, D into minus 2, minus 2D equal to 47, 7, 7. Now two matrices are equal, the corresponding entries are equal. So we can write first row, first element, 5A minus B equal to 14. There 3A minus 2B equal to 7. First row we have to equal. The next 5C minus D equal to 7. 3C minus 2D equal to 7. So compare this. Second row we have to compare. Now solve this equation. You can use name equation 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Here B, so first is multiplied by 2. So 10A minus 2B equal to 28. Second equation no change. 3A minus 2B equal to 7. When we have to subtract, minus plus minus sign will change. So 7A equal to 21. Find this. A equal to 21 by 7, A equal to 3. So we get A equal to 3. A value apply in 1. Put A equal to 3 in 1. So apply it in 1, 5. A value 3 minus B equal to 14. So 15 minus B equal to 14. So 15 minus 14 equal to B. So B value you may get 1. We may get B value is 1, A value is 3 and the B value is 1. Now here give the name 3, 4. Same method, this multiplied by third equation multiplied by 2. So we get 10C minus 2D equal to 14. Here 3C, no change, fourth one, minus 2D equal to 7. Subtract, sign will change. Okay, it will cancel. Then 7C equal to 7. So we get C equal to 1. So we get C equal to 1. That C value apply in. Put C equal to 1 in 3 or 4, your choice. We can apply in 3. Okay, so 5 into 1 minus D equal to 7. So 5 plus 7, bring this side minus 7, bring D that side. So 5 minus 7 equal to D. So subtract, you may get minus 2. So D value is minus. Therefore, A equal to A, B, C, D. A value is 3. B value is 1. C value is 1. D value is minus 2. It is the required matrix. 1.1 13 sum. That is given A, B, C. 3 matrices are given. Find the matrix X such that we have to find AX B equal to C. Find the value of X matrix. For that, here given that A X B equal to C. Already you know the property A into A inverse equal to I. Okay, multiply A into A inverse equal to I in the matrix, and that idea we have to use here. Okay, so here we have to remove A and here we have to remove B, we get X. For that, pre-multiply by A inverse and post multiply by B inverse. So pre-multiply by A inverse, pre-multiply by A inverse and post multiply by B inverse. See that A inverse A X B inverse. So here pre-multiply A inverse C into B inverse. So we multiply this. Now A inverse A X B inverse equal to A inverse C B. So already you know that A inverse A equal to matrix A X, B inverse B equal to I, A inverse C B. So we multiply anything with the matrix I, we get same matrix. So X equal to A inverse C B inverse. So we have to find A inverse. So A is given. So A inverse we have to find. First find determinants of A. Determinants of A 1 minus 1 2 0. Here 0 minus here minus plus. We get to not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. So A inverse exists means first to find adjoint A. Adj A. For 2 plus 2 matrix, interchange first diagonal, main diagonal 0 1. Sign change second diagonal minus 2 plus 1. Adj A. So A inverse formula, you know that A inverse is equal to 1 by determinants of A into Adj A. So 1 by 2 into A inverse. 0, 1 minus 2, 1. We get it. The next we have to find B inverse. So determinants of B we have to find. Determinants of B. First row B 3 minus 2, 1. So 3, here minus means plus 2, we get 5 not equal to 0. So B inverse exists. We can find B inverse exists. So B inverse exists means adj B, adjoint B. First diagonal interchange 1, 3. Second sign change minus 1 plus 2. Okay, then B inverse. Same formula, so 1 by determinants of B. Determinants of B value is 5 into adj B. 1, 2, minus 1, 3, we get it. So B inverse you know that, A inverse you know that. So both we have to apply it here. So you can give it number 1. So 1 implies X equal to first A inverse 1 by 2, 0, 1, minus 2, 1. Okay, A inverse C, given matrix 1, 1, 2, 2. The next B inverse, see that 1 by 5, 1, 2, minus 1, 3. That is B inverse. Okay, now see that 1 by 2 into 1 by 10. 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 we get 1 by 10. Okay, now we have to multiply this 1 by 1. We have to multiply this 1 by 1. So first these two multiplications. See that first row first column 0 plus 2. Then first row second column 0 plus 2. Next second row first column minus 2 plus 2. Second row second column minus 2 plus 2. Then here 1, 2, minus 1, 3. So we get 1 by 10. Here 2, 0, 2, 0. We get this into 1, 2, minus 1, 3. We have to find this matrix multiplication. See that 1 by 10. 2 into 1, 2. Here first row first column 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Then first row second column 2 into 2 4. 2 into 3 6. Then here given 0. So first row second column. Second row first column multiply means 0 into anything 0 0. So there also we get 0. So answer C equal, here we need x. So x equal to, see that x equal to 1 by 10 into 0. There 10. Okay, 0 0. So 1 by 10 bring inside. So divide means we may get x value. Okay, 0 1 0 0. It is the x value. X value equal to 0 1 0 0. So we get the answer 13 sum. Exercise 1.1 14 sum பார்க்க போறோம். A is given the matrix of 3 cross 3 order so that A inverse equal to 1 by 2 into A square minus 3i. We have to prove. So first find A inverse. So A inverse we have to find means first find determinants of A. 1 3 cross 3 matrix, how to find determinants of A? 0 into. So 0 into anything here, 0 anything 0 will come. Then first one leave it, the remaining here plus minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 1 minus 0. So we may get minus minus plus 1 plus 1 equal to 2 not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. So A inverse form we know that. So find adjoint A. So adjoint A, how to find adjoint A? Adjoint A means, okay, the transpose of the cofactor matrix is called adjoint A. Transpose of the cofactor matrix is called adjoint A. Here how to find a 3 cross 3 matrix, cofactor matrix we have to find. For that, here we start that second row, second element 0, 1, 1, 0. Then third row, second element 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. First row 1, 1, 0, 1. Then once again what you write in the first that you write one more time 1, 1, 0. So we have to find this first, this to multiply 0 here 0 into 0, 1 into 1 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 we may get minus 1. The next here 1 0. So we get 1. Next here 1 0. So we get 1. The next here 1 into 1 1. 1 minus 1 into 0 0. So no need to write. And here 0 minus 1. The next here 1 1 minus 0 1. Next here 1 minus 0. No need to write. 1 minus 0. The next one 0 minus 1. So transpose we have to find. Transpose. First row becomes first column. So we get here minus 1 1 1. Then here 1 minus 1 1. Here 1 1 minus 1. It is adjoint A. Transpose we find it. So we get adjoint A. Okay, we get adjoint A. Now A inverse formula you are thorough. A inverse equal to 1 by determinants of A adjoint A. So determinants of A value is 2, 1 by 2 into minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. It is that A inverse. It is that A inverse. Now one side is over, we have to find A square minus 3i. So A square we have to find. A square. So A into A. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Same here, right? 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. These two matrices we have to multiply and get the answer. So we have to find A square. These two matrices we have to multiply and get the answer. Easily we can multiply. Now see that here, first row, first column. 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into 1. So we get 2. Okay. The next here, first row, second column. 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So 1. The next first row, third column. 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0. So we get 1. So second row we have to use. We may get this answer 1, 2, 1. Third row we may get 1, 1, 2. Same multiplication. The next we have to find 3i. We have to find 3i. So int matrix 1, 0, 0. So just we multiply that 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we get 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. We get it. Now we have to A square minus 3i we need. A square minus 3i. So A square, you know that value, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, subtraction. We have to subtract this. We have to subtract this. We get this 2 minus 3 minus 1, then 1 minus 0, 1, here 1. Okay, next 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1. So see that the same will come 1, 1 minus 1. So we need 1 by 2 into A square minus 3i. So 1 by 2 into, just write minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Equation number 2, give the name. Already we find A inverse, equation number 1. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we get the result A inverse equal to 1 by 2 into A square minus 3i. That's all. It is the way we have to prove the 1.1 last one, question number 15 formula. That is given. Question is question number 15. Descriptive, the received encoded message 2 minus 3 one matrix, 20 for another one matrix, with the encryption matrix 2 cross 2 matrix minus 1 minus 1 2 1, and the description matrix has its inverse, where the system of codes are described by the numbers 1 to 26 to the letters A to Z respectively, and the number 0 to a blank space. Equal to 1. B means number 2, C means 3, and Z means 26. It is the way we have to find this, and the given information change into the numbers are given. We given numbers make into alphabet. Okay, we have to receive one message that we have to find here. So here encryption matrix given A equal to minus 1 minus 1 2 1. So we have to find description matrix A inverse equal to 1 by determinants of A are GA. With the help of, we have to find this. First one, determinants of A. Determinants of A we have to find. 2 cross 2 matrix minus 1. Here minus, so becomes plus. equal to 1, not equal to 0, A inverse exists. So we have to find edge A. Interchange first diagonal, 1 minus 1. Sign change second diagonal, minus 2 plus 1. So A inverse we get 1 by 2 into, okay, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1. So A inverse is called description matrix. So A is given, that is called encryption matrix, and the A inverse called decryption matrix. So we convert that with the help of A inverse, we get the given message. For that, here first we have to write code row matrix. The next one, decoding matrix. The next one, decoding row matrix. See that here given 2, 3 coded row matrix. So decoding matrix, we got A inverse. So we get A inverse minus 1 plus 1 is, we get 2. We get minus 1 plus 2 is 1, so we get 1. So we get the answer is this. So applied here 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, these two we have to multiply. These two matrix we have to multiply first row, first column. We get 2 into 1, 2 minus plus 6. Then first row, first column, or first row, second column, 2 minus plus 3. So we get the answer is 8, here 5. 8 and 5. Now second row matrix, code row matrix, 20 and 4 is given. Here the same 1, 1 minus 2, 1 decoding. Now these two we have to multiply. 20 minus 8. Then 20 minus 4. So we get here 12, there 16. Okay. Now we can write this decoded. Okay, decoded row matrix is given causing 8, 5, 12, 16 is given. Okay, decoded row matrix we got it. 8, 5, 12, 16. Now we write this we receive this, the received message. Received reads. Read the message. Is now see that here 8 means ABCD algebraic means like 8 means stand for H, and 5 means E, and 12 means L, 16 means P. So we get the word is help. So it is help. So it is the way we have to find the answer.